Well, in Russia, according to official figures, the number of confirmed coronavirus cases is relatively low. It's in the hundreds compared with tens of thousands in Italy, which is really surprising when you consider that Russia is a massive country. But they are preparing for an influx of patients, including here at the city's main emergency hospital, where they've converted a whole section to the battle against COVID-19. Well, this is the green zone, the safe zone to be in. It's actually the cardiological department of the hospital. But because of the pandemic, what they've done here is to repurpose one of the units for coronavirus patients. What they say here is that they have all the facilities, all the equipment they need to treat people. So if we look over here, this is where the patients who have suspected COVID-19 are brought in. As you can see, everyone's in protective gear. It took them 3 days to set up this area, and they've put in 80 beds here. You can see some of the beds here, and they're all full.
The situation is serious, but it is not a catastrophic situation.
Why do you think the official figures are quite low in Russia for people with coronavirus?
If all people who have mild signs of infection, cough, maybe runny nose, would make tests, the number of people with coronavirus would be much more. But a lot of people do not perform tests.
President Putin too has been visiting a hospital. In his case, the main medical facility for coronavirus patients near Moscow. He put on a hazmat suit, took a tour and said everything was running well. And that's pretty much what the media is being told at the hospital we're at. Russia trying to convince the world it's ready for this pandemic.
Moscow has been preparing for this. There are many hospitals here that are ready to take in such patients. A huge amount of medical equipment has been brought in. With the amount of ventilators we have, we could cure the whole of Italy.
So the message from this hospital, at least, is everything's under control. But Russia is the largest country in the world, with a healthcare system which for years has been underfunded and under enormous pressure. Coronavirus is a huge challenge for everyone, including Russia.